Hello friends, this is Dr. Shilpa Gawande and today we'll discuss about the evaporating steel. In the last lecture we have discussed about the evaporating pan, then what are the different classes of the evaporator, definition, factors affecting evaporation. Now in this session we'll discuss about the evaporating steel. Now what is the construction of the evaporating steel? Now in case of the construction, it consists of a jacketed evaporating pan with a cylindrical cover that connects it to a condenser. It is nothing but the simple that of the evaporating pan. Only the difference is that there is a presence of the condenser which is attached to that pan, and this whole assembly it is called as the steel. This cover it is clamped with evaporating pan. So it is nothing but the evaporating pan which is connected to the condenser, that therefore it is named as the evaporating steel. Now you can see this diagram. It is same as that of the pan, only there is a cover, and this cover it collects the what we can say condensate, and it is attached to the condenser, and through which we are getting the condensate here, right? So this is what a evaporating steel. So it consists of again what we can say metallic container which is jacketed with a steam. This is the construction which is jacketed with the steam. Here this is the inlet for the steam, this is the air outlet, and this is what we can say the product outlet through which we can collect the product, and the condensate which is there, we are getting it through this what we can say the condenser, right? This is covered with the what we can say the covering, right? So this is a metallic container. So this whole assembly it is called as the evaporating steel. Now in case of the working, the liquid which you have to evaporate, it is placed in this evaporating steel. This liquid it is placed in the evaporating steel. The cover it is clamped. And from this the steam is introduced here, and with the help of this heated steam the material is going to be heated. This material it is going to be heated, and the vapors are going to collect and they are going to move in the condenser. These materials are going to move in the condenser and they are collected, and from here you can collect the product. From here you can collect the product concentrate here, right? So from product outlet you will get this product what we can say concentrate. So this is about what we can say the evaporating steel. Now what working of evaporating. Now we'll move towards the advantages of this evaporating steel. It is very easy to clean and maintain. It allows the equipment to be used for solvents other than water, right? So other than water you can use this equipment for all types of the solvents, and disadvantage is that all the liquor is heated all the time. Timing is more. The complete liquor is going to heat all the time, and the heating surface is limited. The heating surface is not more, it is limited. These are the disadvantages of the evaporating steel. So if you like this video, please do like, share this and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.